I'm your host, Orlando Nail Tech. I have been licensed in total for over 20 years. So, yes, I am aging myself. I have been licensed for over 20 years. I have worked in salons, I've worked in salon suites, I've worked as a commission worker, as a booth renter, I've done travel, I've done events, I've done celebrities. Pretty much everything you can think somebody as a licensed nail tech working for 20 years has done. I do have a passion for helping creatives, specifically for helping creatives learn the business side of anything they're doing, whether that is decals, whether you're doing press-ons, whether you want to work in a salon, or whatever it is you want to do, whether you do crafts and you just want to add something nail related. I like to help with the business part, the profitability part, nail design studio use cases. Of course, you can design your sets, you can do your mock-ups. Obviously, you're going to be able to do your press on and your decal concepts. So, what does that mean? You are doing a set for a person, whether that's an in-person client that's going to be coming to you, or whether that's someone who ordered decals, or whether that's someone who ordered press ons. And you just draw up your concept in Nail Design Studio and you download it as an image and you just kind of save it and you use it as a reference or an inspo picture. That's pretty much what a concept is. It's also called a mock-up. It's giving you a rough idea of where you're going to be putting things, where you're going to be placing rhinestones, where the characters are, how much of the nail this is going to take up, different colors you're going to use. Printed decals is another use case for the Nail Design Studio app. And then practice sheets. I don't mind showing y'all again. So practice sheets are what I am holding up here. Essentially, you have your empty grid, and of course, the camera is going to follow me. You have your empty grid, and then you have your images up here that you have put into Nail Design Studio and added to your sheet. Okay, and then you download that, print it out, laminate it, and you can practice your technique on the sheet tab. Okay, cool. So now we are in Nail Design Studio. We are going to design a set together. So first things first, up at the top here, we have our projects panel, and you can save 3 projects here. When you are working on something down here, you can click the save button and it will take up one of these slots. And if you sign into with your Google account, you can sync across devices. And that way, if you pick it up on your laptop after you were working on your tablet or your phone, you'll be able to see all your projects that were saved across the cloud. Our shape and our length are going to be in drop downs now, and you have all of these different shape options. You also are able to mix shapes. So if you were to click on mix shapes, there's going to be these boxes that appear above each nail frame. You click it and then you can change the shape. 5 different length options, and then you can mix lengths as well. Okay. So then you have your views. Your views are going to default to 5 nails, but you can also do the single view and you can do the full set view. So the full set view is exactly what it sounds like, shows you all 10 nails. And then we have our panel here where you got all of your major controls. So you have your undo and your redo. So just like in real life, your thumb is going to be wider than your pinky. This is what the size view will look like. If you click it, it will toggle to uniform view, meaning all 5 nails will be the exact same length and width. Okay. Our French tip feature, 3 different French tips you are able to do in here. You can do your classic French tip. You can adjust your smile line, your tip height, and all of that, and use whatever colors are in here, or you can pick a color from the color picker. You also are able to upload an image as your French tip. I'm going to choose that color and I'm going to choose which nail. I'm going to put it on the left index. And you can still do a background color if you want to do like a nude pink base color. There is a built-in image search. You can use quick images or you can type into the search. If you click on a quick image, it will bring up all of these different options. You are able to cycle through up to 13 pages of results. You just click the one you want to add. It'll show you a bigger preview. You'll click use this image and then you will put that right on the nail. Spread feature. You'll also notice that in the built-in image search, you can use these images as a spread too by clicking use in a spread. It will bring up a preview window and it will show you how it would look spread across the nails, and then you could choose which nails you want it on. For people who want to make sure their decals are going to fit onto whatever tips they're using, there is a tip library. with some crystal feature is new. I'm going to open it up just so you can see it really quickly. Exactly what it sounds like. You can place the crystals on the nail, you can make them larger, make them smaller, make them different colors. You can rotate them. Copy image feature is exactly what it sounds like. Click on the thumb and I want it on the ring finger. Now I've copied it over there. I don't have to upload that picture again. And anytime you want to clear anything out, there's an X right up under there, gets rid of it. Okay. And you can also copy the entire hand. And then global, anything that is an image, you'll be able to move all at the same time. And then if you want to disable it, you can disable it and just move one thing at a time. Grid feature, very helpful if you are doing portraits or anything like that. You are also able to print that grid out, which is kind of what I was showing you earlier with the practice sheet. The drawing tools, I'm just going to tell you what they are. I'm not going to draw on there, but you have a pen, a marker, an airbrush. You can add text to the nails. You are also able to upload your own fonts. And then there is glitter and a star flare. Our print options. There are print and download options. You can download as an image with a transparent background, which is just a PNG file, a JPG file that'll give you a white background on your images, or you can download a PDF, or you can print directly from the app. And then there's the option to download the PDF at the bottom, or if you click print, it will open a print preview window. And as long as you're connected to your printer, you can print directly from the app. I said directly from the app. Directly. Okay, why do I sound like one of the clumps? So you can add save sets, you can drag things around and make fewer mistakes. I would say go with the white background decal paper. Now,